Here are 3 things I learned about my body since working at Aura for the last 2 years. I do not share much about my work life, but I've been wearing this thing for quite a while, and this is what I gotta say. Okay, if you want to increase your REM, you need to be sleeping more. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. getting about 30 to 45 minutes of REM each night, and REM actually happens on the later half of your sleep cycle. So if you're waking up too early or you're going to bed too late, you're probably not getting enough REM. So once I started sleeping in, I noticed my REM now is about an hour and a half or more. Okay, going to sleep and waking up naturally is so crucial for your energy level. I know it's kind of hard for a lot of people to do, but really just try to go to sleep when you're tired and wake up when your body's ready to. For me, once I started waking up when the sun was coming up, I actually had so much more energy than trying to wake up like an hour or so before. I honestly can't remember the last time I used an alarm or needed coffee. The last thing I realized, women need to stop doing so much during their luteal phase. I've been tracking my cycle through the temperature trends and throughout my readiness score each month, and it is crazy to see the difference between the rest of my cycle and my luteal phase. My readiness will significantly drop, indicating that my body just needs a little bit more recovery. So I've really learned to slow down during this time of the month, do a little less, and just focus on recovery. And bonus tip, you can actually connect your Oura ring to natural cycles to track your fertility if you don't want to use hormonal birth control. So leave a comment if you want to know more. I'm genuinely so passionate about this product, and I'm here to answer any questions if you have them.